you better give that a good CAT scan. You've been failing on the job lately. Yeah, I hear you. So can everybody. Hey guys, welcome today. So, trying to get my ducks in a row around here. I got spreaders. I got sprayer out. I can do a little pre-merge spraying for my corn and my beans. Got a shed coming in real quick here, like Wednesday. But I thought today, guys, just for fun, it's time to wake the beast. Yep, you heard me right, guys. I know that all of you have been asking, when am I going to fire up the 1155? The answer to that is today. It's time. I plan to do most of my spring stuff with that anyway, just because it's nimble, it's handy, don't take a lot of fuel, but she ain't been run since, well, I'd have to go back and look, because whatever video we did where I washed everything and put it away, that's the last time that tractor's moved. Had my battery tender on her. Battery should be in good shape. Check the oil, oil's up, antifreeze is full. What are we waiting for? Let's turn diesel into music. Don't that thing sound sweet? I'm gonna let that sit there and putter for a few more minutes and warm up. And then we're gonna roll out there and grab a field cultivator. Same one I had hooked on to Massey Kardashian there last week. This is a little bit more comfortable to ride in. It has a radio and a little more nimble for this little bit of field cultivating I gotta do after I get that fertilizer spread. So yeah. It's all gonna work out nice. But guys, I don't want to take her back any further. Feels like I'm cutting her mighty close there. So we'll just leave that right where it says. Well guys, we're a day advanced into the future now. I gotta get some fuel for this turd. Jeez, it's still windy around here. And I gotta get some fuel for that turd, because, you know, everything's out of gas. But I thought with everything being nice today, I'd at least get this fertilizer dumped out and maybe take this 55 here and just kind of incorporate everything. Not that I don't have a lot more to do after that, because I still gotta put on my pre-merge and incorporate that. But I'm only one me, and, you know, probably waste a lot of fuel working up dirt and whatever else. But you know what? I need to get things incorporated, and that's just how I'm going to do it. So let me get this guy out of the way and let's get some gas. Okay. Love it. I can do without that. I can't wait till that barn's coming up. Yeah, you follow me. Yes, sir. There, that'll work good. Now I got room to sink my pickup right in here with that fuel barrel on it, and that fuel pump that we tried out a few weeks back. Get some go-go juice dumped in this one, get a couple cans of go-go juice dumped in that one, and we're rolling. Go see how high that is on the gauge. I think she was about half full. It holds 50 gallons, and I put 25 in it. I just try not to get fuel all over myself today. I'm not going to push my luck. That's enough to get me where I need to be today. You get a rental spreader and nothing works. Oh well, let's give it a shot. Well friends, the wind really sucks today like usual, but hey, what choice do I have? Let's spread some shit. Well guys, you didn't get to see much of that because the camera fell over because it's windy and everything sucks. So not like there's a lot to see. I'm just putting fertilizer out. The fun stuff doesn't happen until I get this out. So I got one more field to go hit with that. I'm gonna go hit it, come back, we'll jump into big tractor, and then we'll have some fun. There guys, back, got all that fertilizer tossed out. Only one thing left to do. I'm at least gonna get this field ground in today. The other ones, it's getting later than I thought it was going to be today, so I'm just going to do this one. Be a good warm-up for the 1155 from setting. And tomorrow I'll go hit the other 48 acres I got to hit with this. And that'll be all this is going to do with this field cultivator for now. But never mind that. We'll get to that bridge when we get there. Let's get this baby warmed up. Oh, man, I just wish the wind would stop blowing. I'm tired of it. I really got to clean this baby out. She is dirty. There. She's ready for action now. Oh man, I can't wait for that to be done. Next video you see, that barn will be complete. Alright, we're gonna let this warm up for a minute. Hit it. Alright, that's warm enough for me. Drop down and let's let her rip.
let this baby really eat now. Oh, no problem. She loves it. Eat your heart out, Massey Kardashian. Well, guys, that knocked the dust off of her, if nothing else. And got a little new dust on it, by all means. I'll say this. There ain't no lack of horsepower in this thing. None. That baby's just a puller. That's all there is to it. Field turned up nice and smooth now. Let's get that thing put away for the night, and then I'm going to come back tomorrow and hit the other 2 fields. Well, there, friends, job well done. That thing too. So friends, on that note, I'm gonna let you go today. We got a lot done. Now all I got left to do is put down pre-merge, work it up one more time, plant. You know, there's only 18 or 20 steps to planting. I ain't got that good precision stuff that does it all in one swipe. Oh well, seat time is seat time. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.